Dear colleagues, we would like to present the article Computerized Radiometric System for Measuring Microwave Radiation of Biological Objects. Purpose of the work. The purpose of this work is to create a computerized, highly sensitive radiometric system with extended functionality for measuring weak signals in the microwave range of biological objects. Such the system open up opportunities to more objectively conduct research on weak and emitted electromagnetic fields in biology, medicine, material science, physics, and other areas of science and technology. Measuring system. On Figure 1 shows the structural diagram of the proposed highly sensitive RS with the computer control of the operation models and the possibility of direct measurement of the non-equilibrium component of microwave radiation. Measuring system. The scheme includes an input part consisting of dual antenna X1 and X2, two-pole switching modulator U1, U2, and a TA1 and radiometric conversation channel. The operation of the switches is controlled by rectangular pulses with the frequency of 1 kHz, which are also used as a reference for the synchronized detector U5. The receiving combined RS antenna Figure 1a is made in the form of a rectangular horn 4 in which two antennas are located: an open measuring antenna with the waveguide output 6 and the closed copper foil antenna with the waveguide output 5. Description of the work of RS and the algorithm of transformation of non-equilibrium signals. Isolation and measurement of the non-equilibrium component of B object is a more complicated procedure which consists of the following. Antennas X1 and X2 on Figure 1 of the measuring and reference channels are brought into contact with the surface of the biological objects under study. The radiothermal component of radiation is proportional to the body's absolute temperature and the coefficient of emissivity of each layer. The microwave range, the emitted signal contains both equilibrium and non-equilibrium components. However, due to the thermal contact of X2 antenna screen with the surface of living organism, the screen heats up to the temperature of the surface area. Pulse modulator U1 and U2 work in decay mode and are controlled by anti-phase voltages of the low frequency, which are generated by the computer. Accordingly, in the next half cycle of the low frequency voltage, a signal with the power is sent to the input of mixer U3 through the TA1. At the mixer output during the half periods of the modulator's operation, the signal power will be equal to this formula. From a sequence of video pulses with the voltages and low frequency U1, U2, amplifier A3 and alternated component is isolated and amplified, the amplitude of which is proportional to the polarity of the voltage of the video pulses. The alternating voltage U3T is rectified by the synchronous detector U5 and smoothed by the low-pass filter Z2 as the reference voltage of the synchronous detector U5 antiphase voltages of the low-frequency generator G2 are used, each of which controls modulators U1 and U2. Conclusions. From the following conclusions can be drawn from the scientific work. Their use of microprocessor technology to control the mode of operation of the developed radiometric system significantly expand the functional measurement capabilities of the system and provides direct measurement of the microwave radiation of a bio-object. Compression of the measurement signal level with the reference value adjustment of the receive frequency, assessment of the presence of a non-equilibrium component in the radiation spectrum, as well as processing and archiving of the received result and measurement. Thank you for your attention. The authors Олексій Яненко, Костянтин Шевченко, Тетяна Клочко, Роман Ткачук, Василь Кузь.